Alright guys, so I apologize. I got a little carried away and got right into work. Today I'm replacing the radiator. As you can see, it's gone. The old one is right there, busted. And there's my new CSF. I can't wait to install it. I'm going to teach you guys a couple things before, because I haven't seen a video yet on how to install these things. So as you can see, removal of bumper is definitely something that you want to do just to get a little more clearance. To take the bumper off, you actually have to take off all these screws all the way around. Alright, there's actually this and that hole that come out with the bumper. You have these two holes. After that, you have to go under the wheel, take this piece kind of out of the way. What I did was I turned the wheel a certain way so I could get everything out. As soon as I got my hand in there, there's actually these little holes back here. You'll see whenever you get to work on it, easy enough to pull out with a 10mm. It's a little bit of a hassle to get it out from the top, especially because of this. I went under here, and I actually, you see these little braces? They come off with 12mm bolts, just two holding onto them. So now that I got that done, it's time to install. Alright, so now we have it inside the car. See, nice and new, perfect, nice and clean. I'm loving it already. Don't forget these rubber bushings that come off the stock. You need to use those to hold on to these little things right here. Alright. Finally, just gotta put all the hoses together. Always remember to check all your hoses. Very, very important. You do not want to overheat your engine. I want to clean up a little bit. Because I really hate going into my engine bay and seeing how dirty it is. If I make it look good, it'll keep me happy. It's always good. Now I'm trying to get to the point where I don't have all these accessories. One of the questions I have is, can I get a manual steering rack for these cars? This is the Mazda MX-5 NC Miata. Again, my question is if we have any manual steering racks, because I would love to get rid of AC and power steering. Almost done here. I can't wait to fill it up. Again, test it out. You got the front bumper out. You got all these little things. You got the battery that usually sits right there. You got the computer and the intake box. That's it. Hey guys, appreciate you watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you, CSF. I have not seen any issues so far. We're just gonna keep an eye on it for the rest of the week, make sure everything's good. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. I'll definitely make more videos soon.